Kitchens and bathrooms are two of the most moisture-prone areas in any home. Cooking, showering, and everyday use can quickly lead to steam, humidity, and lingering odors if airflow is limited. For homeowners in Washington, awning windows offer a practical and efficient way to improve ventilation in these essential spaces while maintaining comfort and functionality. Why kitchens and bathrooms need better ventilation. Moisture buildup in kitchens and bathrooms can make rooms feel uncomfortable and stale. Without proper airflow, steam and humidity can linger long after cooking or bathing is finished. Over time, this excess moisture can affect comfort and indoor air quality. Washington homeowners often look for ventilation solutions that don't rely entirely on exhaust fans. Awning windows provide a natural way to release humid air while bringing in fresh outdoor air at the same time. How awning windows improve airflow. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows them to remain open even during light rain, making them especially practical for regular ventilation. When opened, awning windows create a channel that allows stale, humid air to escape while fresh air enters. In Washington kitchens and bathrooms, this helps clear steam and odors more efficiently than windows that only open partially. Ideal placement in moisture-prone areas. Awning windows work well in areas where wall space may be limited. Their compact design makes them suitable for placement above sinks, countertops, or tubs, locations commonly found in kitchens and bathrooms. Washington homeowners appreciate that awning windows can be installed higher on the wall, helping vent warm, moist air that naturally rises. This strategic placement supports more effective airflow without sacrificing privacy. Supporting comfortable cooking spaces. Cooking generates heat, steam, and odors that can linger without proper ventilation. Awning windows provide an easy way to release hot air during meal preparation. In Washington kitchens, opening an awning window while cooking helps reduce stuffiness and keeps the space feeling more comfortable. Fresh air circulation also helps prevent lingering smells from spreading throughout the home. Improving bathroom air quality. Bathrooms are especially prone to moisture buildup from showers and baths. While exhaust fans help, natural ventilation adds another layer of moisture control. Awning windows allow Washington homeowners to release steam quickly after bathing. This helps the bathroom dry faster and feel fresher, improving comfort during daily routines. Ventilation without compromising privacy. Privacy is a key concern in bathrooms, and awning windows address this effectively. Because they can be installed higher on the wall and open outward, they allow airflow without exposing the interior space. Washington homeowners benefit from improved ventilation while maintaining a sense of privacy, an important balance in bathroom design. Tight seals when closed. While ventilation is important, windows also need to seal properly when closed. Awning windows are known for forming a tight seal against the frame, helping block unwanted air and moisture when not in use. For Washington homes, this ensures that improved airflow doesn't come at the expense of indoor comfort when windows are closed. Easy operation for everyday use. Awning windows are simple to open and close, making them easy to use throughout the day. This convenience encourages homeowners to ventilate kitchens and bathrooms more frequently. Washington homeowners often find that awning windows become a regular part of their daily routine, supporting better airflow with minimal effort. A practical upgrade for healthier living. Awning windows offer a smart solution for improving airflow in kitchens and bathrooms. They release moisture, reduce odors, and support a fresher indoor environment, without complicated operation or design challenges. For homeowners in Washington, using awning windows in kitchens and bathrooms is a practical way to enhance comfort, improve air quality, and support healthier everyday living.